If you ignore these LinkedIn tips, you're probably going to regret it later. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or trying to become an industry thought leader, if you're not seeing success on the world's #1 professional platform, then it's probably because of one of these 7 mistakes. Number 1, a lousy profile photo or no profile photo at all. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform, and having a bad headshot or no headshot sends the wrong signal to potential connections, recruiters, and employers. Now, this leaves your profile incomplete and anonymous. It also creates an air of mystery that may not be in your favor. Remember, LinkedIn is all about building connections and fostering relationships, and a faceless profile can make it challenging for others to connect with you on a personal level. Unfortunately, the world is filled with fake accounts and scammers. By omitting your photo, you inadvertently place yourself in the same category, making it difficult for others to trust your identity and intentions. So whether it's an outdated, pixelated photo from a decade ago, we're all guilty of that, or no photo at all, neglecting your profile picture is a mistake that can have lasting repercussions on your LinkedIn presence and hinder your career growth. So make sure you upload a professional headshot to your profile ASAP. Number 2, using the default LinkedIn headline. Your headline is a prime opportunity to make a strong first impression and pique curiosity. It's your chance to convey what makes you special and why others should pay attention to your profile. By leaving it as is, you're missing out on the opportunity to highlight your expertise, your skills, and your industry-specific keywords. This makes your profile more discoverable in search results. A customized headline, on the other hand, allows you to craft a compelling snapshot of who you are and what you bring to the table. It can showcase your unique value proposition, highlight your skills and achievements, and even reflect your personal brand. Number 3, using the term actively seeking work in your headline or displaying the open to work frame on your profile photo. Now, it's essential to showcase your openness to new career opportunities on LinkedIn. However, there's a more strategic and appealing way to do this. Using the term actively seeking work in your headline or displaying the open to work frame on your profile photo can send a negative signal to a potential employer, a recruiter, and even your current employer. It can give the impression that you're desperate or unhappy in your current position, which might raise concerns about your commitment or loyalty. LinkedIn provides a dedicated section called Open to Work where you can discreetly signal your job search status without compromising your professional image. Instead of broadcasting your job search intentions in your headline, use this section to indicate your openness to new opportunities, preferred job roles, locations, and other relevant details. By doing this, you'll maintain a more professional and polished profile that appeals to recruiters and employers. Number 4, a lack of detail in your About section. Remember, your LinkedIn About section is a prime opportunity to showcase who you are and what you bring to the table and why others should take notice of your profile. Yet, many professionals overlook this section or leave it empty, missing out on the chance to leave a lasting first impression. Think of your About section as your elevator pitch. It's an engaging and concise summary of your professional background, your achievements, and even your aspirations. It's a powerful tool to capture the attention of recruiters, hiring managers, and potential connections, allowing them to quickly understand your unique value proposition. Consider incorporating industry-specific keywords and phrases that are relevant to your field. This helps optimize your profile for search, and it increases the likelihood of you appearing in search results when recruiters and employers are looking for specific skills or expertise. Now, what I want you to do is break your summary into short, easy to read paragraphs to enhance the readability. Use bullet points or bolded keywords to highlight your achievements or notable experiences. And it's really important to write in a tone that reflects your professional brand and aligns with your target audience. Whether you choose to be more formal or inject some personality into your writing, it's crucial to maintain professionalism and ensure your summary resonates with your intended audience. Number 5, a lack of recommendations. Recommendations on LinkedIn act as social proof of your skills, expertise, and professionalism. They are testimonials from colleagues, maybe managers, clients, or other professional connections that vouch for your ability and the value you bring to the table. Now, unfortunately, many professionals overlook the importance of gathering recommendations, and I'm guilty of that as well. well, but this can hinder your career growth on the platform. Now, I know because you're watching this video, you're not going to make this same mistake. In a competitive job market, recommendations can be the differing factor that sets you apart from all the other candidates. So to overcome the lack of recommendations, start by reaching out to your first-degree connections that you trust and value their opinion. Send them a polite request explaining why their recommendation would be meaningful to you. Highlight specific projects or experiences you shared with them to jog their memory and make it easier for them to provide a tailored recommendation. It's also worth considering providing recommendations to others in your network. By taking the initiative to write high-quality recommendations for colleagues, maybe clients, or partners, you're more likely to receive recommendations in return. It's a mutually beneficial process that fosters a sense of community and strengthens professional relationships. Number 6, not personalizing connection requests. LinkedIn is all about networking and establishing genuine connections with professionals in your industry or in your field. However, many folks make the mistake of sending generic connection requests without any personal touch or context. This approach can be ineffective and even off-putting to potential connections. Think of a personalized connection request as the digital equivalent of introducing yourself and initiating a conversation at a networking event. Now, just as you would approach someone at one of these networking events with a specific reason for connecting with you, it's essential to do the same on LinkedIn. So avoid simply clicking the connect button without any context. Rather, add a note that mentions a specific point of interest or commonality that you share with your new potential connection. It could be something like a mutual acquaintance, a shared professional group, or even a recent article that they posted. This context helps establish a connection and gives the recipient a reason to accept your request. Number 7, not customizing your LinkedIn URL. When you create a LinkedIn account, the platform assigns you a default URL. It consists of random numbers and letters. Now, the default URL can be long, it's confusing, and it can be difficult for others to remember or find you when searching online. Customizing your LinkedIn URL allows you to create a more professional and memorable web address that aligns with your personal brand. Now, by incorporating your name or your business name into the URL, you make it much easier for others to find you and connect with you on LinkedIn. And having a customized URL also enhances your online visibility. When someone searches for your name on search engines like Google, your LinkedIn profile is likely to appear at the top of the search window. Customizing your LinkedIn URL shows that you take your online presence seriously and are committed to building a strong personal brand. So what deadly mistake are you making on LinkedIn that is killing your career? Let's talk more about it in the comments below. Now, click or tap the video right here to make sure you're not making one of these resume writing mistakes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you know anyone who could benefit from this information, share this video with them. And I'll see you in the next one.